Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is LOVELIJA here with another video. So this video, I'm going to go ahead and start off with my foundation already done because it's very repetitive of me to keep doing my foundation in these videos. So I feel like if you want to see my routine of how I do my base, you can check out my other videos. I will link them so you can click on it when you get done with this video. So we're going to be using the Morphe 35V palette, the palette I used in my last video. This palette, I mean, what other words can I say other than obsessed? Why are you so obsessed with me? So in this video, we're going to be using like the Morphe tones, like doing like a more of a purple based look because I already used the warm tones. So I really want to get a good use out of this palette. So let's go ahead and jump into this video and let's create this fabulous look that we're going to be doing. Okay. So I already have my eyes primed with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So we're just going to jump right into the look. So I'm going to start off with just a regular crease color, and I'm going to use this color right here and go ahead and put that in my crease. Ooh. Oh yeah. That color blended out because this palette is really pigmented, like it really is. So another shade that we're going to take is this shade right here. This is like kind of a more of a reddish undertone, and you guys are going to see where I'm going with this look, and also I'm going to be seeing where I'm going with this look because I don't even know that I'm just winking it. Just put that in the crease as well. I'm going to take my Real Techniques tapered blending brush and dip into this Morphe shade right here. This holiday season, y'all, like, I am so excited. Honestly, I meant to put some powder down because I do not want any fallout on my face, okay? Because I did the damn thing. I'm going to continue placing that in my crease. So I'm going to be dipping in this shade right here and go ahead and continue the trend. So I'm going to deepen this up with this purple shade right here. Well, yeah. I'm going to like put it in the outer V, but I'm also going to take it into my crease. So I'm going to be taking like more of a precision brush and going into this deep purple right here and placing that in the outer V, like strictly in the outer V. I'm just going to blend that out a little bit using this brush right here. I'm going to use a different brush. I'm going to use this brush to blend it out. This has nothing on it. Alright, so I did my other eye off camera. I was just going to do like, the same thing I did over here, but I was just like, okay, let me just see where this look is even going. So I like the way it's going, like it's cute. So let's go ahead and let me show you how I got this. So you guessed it, we're about to cut this crease. Okay, where did my Tarte Shape Tape go? Alright, so about to cut this crease using my Morphe, let's see, M124 brush, my new brush that I got in my recent Ulta haul. Okay, and using my Morphe M167 brush, I'm taking this shimmery purple. It looks blue in the camera, but I'm taking this purple right here and just patting that towards the outer V. kind of blending that with the dark purple that we placed there. Okay, that's really pretty. We're going to the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, and we're going to be taking these like 3 purples in the front. I mean, well, yeah, we're going to be putting these in the front. So using that same brush, just flipping it over, and I'm just dipping into this shade right here first. I'm just laying that on top. That's how we get the purple. The purple is so freaking pretty, like I can't even deal. So I'm just taking this Real Techniques bullet brush. I'm taking this blue right here in my Morphe palette and just placing that underneath my waterline. Starting at the edge and working my way to the front. And I'm kind of like winging it out a little bit. Okay, I'm just dusting off this powder underneath my eyes. I should have set my face before I put on mascara, but what's done is done. What's done is done. Okay, so I'm gonna like make myself look really pretty, and I'll be back. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. I love how everything came out about this look. I love the purple, I love the blue. Then I added like, you know, that little soft lip, so I won't be doing too much with the lip. And the lip is just the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cons, and you can just get that anywhere, you know. And I just, you know, I just love how it came out. Like, it's popping, like it really is. And now you extra popping, because you was already popping, but now you extra popping. If you guys love this video as much as I love filming this video for you guys, go ahead and give it a thumbs up so I can, you know, give me some more motivation. I love making videos for you guys. Just go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel so we can, you know, hit some numbers. And go ahead and comment down below just your thoughts on this look and overall what you want to see on my channel. And go ahead and subscribe again. Did I already say that? Did I already say subscribe? Well, if you haven't subscribed already, what are you doing? What are you really doing? Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Upload.